Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial I'm going to show you guys how to delay Windows 10 feature updates for up to a year. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here guys, and without further ado let's go ahead and jump right into it. So while you might be wanting to receive regular Windows updates, perhaps you don't want to receive the major build updates every 6 months. So if you want to skip over a feature update or perhaps wait for it to become more mainstream, and if there's any bugs in it for them to hopefully be largely resolved, this tutorial will give you guys an option to postpone these updates for a good period of time. So we're going to go ahead and jump right into it and start by opening up the start menu. Just left click on the start button one time. Type in Windows Update. Best match should come back with Windows Update Settings. Go ahead and left click on that option one time. And on the right side you want to select Advanced Options, Additional Update Controls and Settings. And then at the bottom of this page you want to scroll down. Choose when updates are installed. Feature update includes new capabilities and improvements. It can be deferred for this many days. And you have a quality update. It includes security improvements. So if you want to modify the security improvements, you can go up to 30 days. Feature updates, if you click the drop down, can be all the way up to 365 days. Once you're done, just click out of here, and that should hopefully be about it. And you're more welcome to go back in there and change it if you change your mind down the road. So I do hope this brief tutorial was able to help you guys out, and as always thank you for watching, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.